We're almost done. I know, right? No, drop the potion. Yeah. Wait, what? Ah! What is he doing? Run. Ah! The door is closed. Gotta run. No! Wait, you forgot on me! No! Guys. This is terrible news. What is it, Mario? They're turned into zombies. We're trying to make a friendly zombie, but no, it's not. But all this stuff has gone crazy. You know, so stop, slow down. Just watch the video and be done now. Well, guys, this is not a rare moment. This is a rare moment. I have to run, huh? You die! Ow! Help me! Get your weapon! It's time to shine. Wait, what? Another zombie? Wow! No! This is getting so weird right now. It's a zombie apocalypse. That's the title of the video. Ah! But seriously, we got found the big deal. Come on, we gotta go outside. We gotta escape this house. Is there any more survivors? Hello. Wait, more survivors? There's way more survivors than all of our subscribers. And you better subscribe, or you're gonna get eaten by the zombies. And their brain, yeah, and they took out their brains. I saw how Jack. Yeah, that's what happened. I know, right? Guess what? I dare you to subscribe. If you don't, yeah. Anyways, come back. Come. This way. Bam. More zombies? Yeah. Wait, no, that's my brother. Get me. What is wrong with himself? I know. Let's go. We gotta figure out what's happening, or else. I think I know what's happening. Guys, we have to stick together. Sanctuary. It says it. Sanctuary. Safe. Let's go. Bam. Wait, we have to stay there for 2 more months, because we don't know if it's safe or not. So I say we have to build a house for the next 2 months. Let's get to put the sticks up. Yeah. Okay. Alright, almost done. All we need is the door. Huh? Ah! Well, I hope you guys enjoy it. Bye. We're gonna make each episode like 1 month. Like next month, then the other episodes on next month. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.